In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way to GitHub and locate your profile URL easily and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned developer or new to programming, having access to your GitHub profile URL is crucial for sharing your work with potential employers, collaborators, or friends. This tutorial will guide you through that process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to github.com/https/github.com. GitHub is a powerful platform where millions of developers collaborate and contribute to software projects. It's essentially the headquarters for open source code, and it serves as an excellent resource for both sharing your work and discovering others. Now that you're on the GitHub homepage, the next step is to log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your avatar or profile picture icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find several options, one of which is your personal profile. Click on Profile to proceed. Navigating to your profile page is significant because it contains all your repositories, contributions, and activities beautifully organized and displayed. It's essentially a showcase of your work and skills in the coding world. On this page, you'll also encounter your unique profile URL. But don't worry if you're not entirely familiar with URLs. Simply put, this is the web address that points directly to your GitHub profile. To share your portfolio or let others explore your work, you'll need to copy this URL. To do this, you can highlight the web address in the address bar at the top of the browser, then right-click and choose Copy, or you can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Once copied, you can then paste it wherever you need with Ctrl+V or Command+V. And just like that, you're done. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully accessed and copied your GitHub profile URL. This URL is an essential part of your professional toolkit, as it not only showcases your experience and projects, but also gives others the opportunity to engage with your work directly. Remember, the more active you are on platforms like GitHub, the more you can enhance your skills and build a robust network with other developers worldwide. So keep coding, keep contributing, and share your URL confidently. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and follow for more tech tutorials and guides.